Splicing the junction box for 4-way switch with cables from power, light and 3-way switches. Sketch of the connection in the junction box and installation of the 4-way switch. Junction box cables. 14 3nm cable from the first 3-way switch. 14 3nm cable from the second 3-way switch. 14 2nm cable from the power source. 14 2nm cable to the light outlet. Remove the cable sheath. Pre-install the grounding screw. Wrap the ground wire from one of the cables around the grounding screw and tighten the screw. Group all ground, bare, wires together. Wrap the longer wire around the shorter ones, and trim the shorter wires to no less than 6 inches long. Route the longest of the ground wires, bare, through the hole in the green wire nut and secure the wrapped wires with this wire nut. Insert the ground wire connection into the junction box, leaving the pigtail wire outside the box. Group the hot wire, black, from the cable from the first 3-way switch, one of the 2 3-way switches you selected, whichever one, and the hot wire, black, from the cable from the power source. Trim them to no less than 6 inches long and strip the insulation from the ends of the wires by about 1/2 inch. Using pliers and a wire nut or just a wire nut, splice both wires and insert them into the junction box. Group the neutral wire, white, from the cable from the power source and the neutral wire, white, from the cable to the light outlet. Trim them to no less than 6 inches long. Strip the ends of the wires about 1/2 inch, splice them together and insert them into the junction box. Group the hot wire, black, from the cable from the second 3-way switch and the hot wire, black, from the cable to the light outlet. Trim them to no less than 6 inches. Strip the ends of the wires about 1/2 inch, splice them together and insert the spliced wires into the junction box. Use black electrical tape or other means to mark the white wires from the cables from the three-way switches as hot wires, as they will no longer be neutral wires in those cables. Group all remaining wires and the ground pigtail wire together and trim them to no less than 6 inches long. Insert them into the junction box. Install the junction box mud ring appropriate for the thickness of the wall finish. If this video is helpful, please subscribe. Comments are welcome.